Hi guys, I was just practicing my tune, a Schinchan theme song on my Casio, so I'll also show it to you because you'll be interested in this. And this is played in the piano 2. Here you can see there's written piano 2. That in this Casio you have to press 0 and 1. If you want to do it in normal Casio, just press 0, 0. Press this Casio. It's just a tiny bit difference. Now, I bet if you are a Schinchan fan, you will like it. And I'm a Schinchan fan, the #1. So, bye guys.